So I will start recording. Okay, roll number 1. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me, who is the founder of C language?
Dennis Ritchie.
Dennis Ritchie. Good. And where this C language is developed? Where C programming language is developed? In which lab?
AT&T.
AT&T lab. Correct. Okay, so it was developed. The founder was Dennis Ritchie and developed at AT&T lab. Now, roll number 3, Shraddha Birazdar.
Yes, sir.
Little loudly. Okay, so what are the different features of C programming language? Hello, Shraddha Birazdar. Roll number
Yes,
3.
sir. Yes, sir.
Loudly tell me what are the different features of C programming language?
Simple,
Yes.
portable, mind level,
Okay, portable, then mid-level language. Yes, any other?
fast speed,
Okay, it is fast executed. Okay. Any other feature? Other than this portable, mid-level language, fast speed. Yes, is there any other feature?
memory management,
Memory, memory management.
management.
Okay, okay. Then roll number 5, Priyanka Devmare.
Yes, sir.
Yes. The next question is for you. What is the use of printf and scanf function? What is the use of printf and scanf function?
Printf and scanf function are used for input and output.
Yes, printf is used for
Output.
output and scanf is used for
Input function.
input, taking input from the user. Okay. Yes. Next, so which format specifier is used for printf? Yes, roll number 5, Priyanka Devmare.
Yes, sir.
Which format specifier is used for printf? If I'm having integer type of value and I want to display the content of that variable, integer variable, so which format specifier is used? have you gone through %d, %f, %s, %c? So out of these, which access specifier, which format specifier is used?
%d.
%d, good. Now next, roll number 9. Roll number 9, Priyanka Jankar.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the
Yes, sir.
difference. Tell me the difference between local and global variable. Difference between local and global variable.
No, sir, I don't know.
Okay. So roll number 10, Adishakti Zawde. So you tell me the difference between local and global variable.
A local variable, a variable which is declared inside function or block is known as local variable. Global variable, a variable which is declared outside function or block is known as global variable. Scope, local variable, the scope of variable is available within a function in which they are declared. Scope of global variable. The scope of variable is available throughout the program. Access of local variable. Variables can be accessed only by the statement inside a function in which they are declared. Access of global variable. Any statement in the entire program can be access variable.
Okay. Now I have next question for roll number 11, Rohini Kadam. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you tell me the difference between call by value and call by reference.
Call by value, when a copy of value is passed to the function, then the original values is not modified. Call by reference, when a copy of the values is passed to the function, then the original value is modified. In call by value, actual arguments and formal arguments are created in separate memory locations. In call by reference, actual arguments and formal arguments are created in the same memory location. In call by value, in this case, actual arguments remain safe as they cannot be modified. In call by reference, actual arguments are not reliable as they are modified. Call by value, the copies of the actual arguments are passed to the formal arguments, and in call by reference, the address of actual arguments are passed to their respective formal arguments.
Okay, good. Now roll number 13.
Yes, sir.
So you tell me the uses of function.
Uses of
Function. Use of
uses of
function.
yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
C functions are used to avoid the rewriting the same code again and again in our program. Second, C functions are called any number of times from any place of our program. Third, when a program is divided into functions, then any part of our program can easily be tracked. And fourth, C functions provide the reusability concept, that is, it breaks the big task into smaller tasks so that it makes the C program more understandable.
Okay, good. Now roll number 17.
Yes, sir.
So you tell me what is array and what are the different types of array?
Array is a group of similar type of element. It has the contiguous memory location. It makes the code optimized, easy to traverse, and easy to sort. The size and type of array cannot be changed after its declaration. Type of array: dimensional array, multi-dimensional array.
Okay, good. Now roll number 20. Roll number 20, Pradeep Dhumal. Yes, Pradeep, you tell me what is recursion in C program, or the definition of recursion?
When a function call itself recursion, the function that call itself is known as a recursive function.
Okay, and what is pointer in C program?
A pointer in C program is a variable that refers to the address of value. It makes the code optimized and makes the performance fast.
Okay. Now next roll number 22. Roll number 22. Aniket Dubal. Aniket Dubal. Roll number 21.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Yes, you tell me what is structure?
First, the structure is a user-defined that allows storing multiple types of data in a single unit. It occupies some of the memory of all members. Second, the structure members can be accessed only through structure variable. Third, structure variable accessing the same structure, but the memory located for each variable will be different.
Okay, good. Now roll number 25.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me what is variable? A very simple question for you. What is variable?
A variable is a name stored.
It is a store. It is name for the storage. Okay.
Yes.
And what is the default function call method? How function is default call?
Value.
Call
by
by
default.
value.
Call by value.
Okay. So can you tell me what are the different data types are used in C program, C language? What are the basic data types?
Int, integer, float, double, char, void.
Okay. Okay, good. Now, next student, roll number 26. Roll number 26, Vishal Kadam. Vishal Kadam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you tell me what is the difference between a single equal to and double equal to? Okay, here I will type it. What is the difference between this sign and this sign? Yes, first tell me whether these both are the same or both are the different. Yes, is it different or same?
Same.
How?
Different.
Okay. Now, what do you understand by this sign, this operator, and what do you understand by this operator? or if you wish, you can give the difference between equal to and double equal to symbols. Roll number 28.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you tell me the difference between equal to and double equal to symbol operators. Roll number 30, Abhijit Khoe.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you tell me the difference between equal to and double equal to.
Equal to is the assign operator which is used to value right hand side to the variable of left hand side, and double equal to is operator which use the value of expression on left hand side to value of expression of right hand side.
Correct. This is used for assigning the values and this is used for comparing the values. Good. Okay, now the next question is to roll number 32. What is, okay, I will change the symbol now here. What is this operator? Roll number 31. No, 31 you just have said. Roll number 35.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, what is this operator?
This operator is also referred to as AND operator. When
Yes.
using this operator, all conditions specified must be true before the next action can be performed. If you have 10 conditions and all but one fails to evaluate as true, the entire condition statement is already evaluated as false.
Good. Now, the next question is for roll number 36.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So roll number 36, you tell me what is preprocessor directive?
Preprocessor directive are placed at the beginning of every C program. This is where library files are specified, which would depends on what functions are to be used in the program. Another use of preprocessor directive is to detection of constant preprocessor directives being with hashtag symbol.
Yes, and it is at the very first line. Correct. So the question is for roll number 37.
Yes, sir.
Now the next question is to tell me what are the different string functions are used. What are the different string library functions? You tell me the list, like this one is the first string library function, this is second, third and fourth. So tell me the string library functions.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me. Or you can tell me which function is used to append a string to another string.
The string function, it take two parameter, the source string and string value to be appended to source of string.
Okay. One more question for you. What is compiler?
Compiler is a program to convert human readable code in mechanical readable code. The process is called a compiler.
Okay, good. Now roll number 38.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, what is the use of header file in C program?
Header files contain the definition and the set of rules of the function beginning used in the programs. For example, we have used printf or scanf in a program. You need to include stdio.h library functions, else your program compile will show an error. This is because the standard input or output functions printf and scanf are stored in the header file. So similarly, every header file store a set of predefined functions. It makes the program easy.
Okay, good. Now next question is, your roll number is 38. Now roll number 39.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, what is the use of size of function?
Sir, question repeat करता का?
What is the use of size of function?
Size of
Correct.
is used to find the
Yes. If you forget, look at the screen. This is size of function. So what is the use of this size of function?
to find the memory space allocated for each data type in C program.
Okay. Now you also tell me, what is compiler?
Compiler is a program that converts human readable code into machine readable code. This process is called a compile.
Okay. Now roll number 40.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the syntax of if control statement?
If in bracket explain curve bracket explanation, then curly bracket code to be executed.
The body of if statement, and next is else, right? Okay. Again, tell me the syntax of do while statement.
Do
Yes.
do in curly bracket code or statement and curly bracket completed, then while in bracket conditions and semicolon.
Correct. Now roll number 41.
Yes, sir.
You tell me the syntax for pointer declaration.
A pointer is a variable whose value is address of another variable, that is direct address of memory located like any variable or constant. You must declare a pointer before using it to store any variable address. The general form of pointer variable declare is data type star and username.
Okay. What is variable?
Declaration, name of storage name.
Okay, it's a storage name. And what is default calling function?
By default, the function is called as by value. It's called by value.
Okay. Now next roll number D42.
Yes, sir.
So you tell me the basic data types in C programming.
Yes, sir. Integer, float, double, character, wide.
What is the use of integer data type?
Represent the number.
And for double?
Double precision floating point value.
Okay. Roll number 43. Roll number 43.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me what is token?
Yes, sir.
What is token?
The token is an identifier. It can be constant, keyword, string, literal, etc. A token is the smallest individual unit in a program. C has the following tokens: identifiers, and identifiers refers to the name of the variable. Keyword are the predefined words that are explained by the compiler. Constants are the fixed value that cannot be changed during the execution of the program. Operators: an operator is a symbol that performs a particular operation. Special character: all the characters except the alphabets and digits are treated as a special characters.
Okay. Now roll number 44.
Yes, sir.
What is union?
The union is a user-defined data types that allows storing multiple types of data in a single unit. However, it doesn't occupy the sum memory of all members. To hold the memory in the largest number only. The union we can access only the variable at a time of the allocated on some common space for all the members of union.
Okay. Roll number 45. What is structure?
Yeah.
What is structure?
The structure is user-defined data type that allows storing multiple types of data in a single unit. It occupies the sum of memory of all members. The structure members can be accessed only through structure variables. Structure variables accessing the same structure, but the memory allocated for each variable will be different.
Okay. Also tell me what is recursion in C program?
When a function calls itself and its process is known as recursion, the function that calls itself is known as recursive function.
Okay, good. Now roll number 46.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the difference between call by value and call by reference.
Call by value description: when a copy of the value is passed to the function, then the original value is not modified. Call by reference: when a copy of the value is passed to the function, then the original value is modified. Memory location: call by value: actual arguments and formal arguments are created in separate memory location. Call by reference: actual argument and formal argument are created
in the same memory location. Safety call by value. In this case, actual arguments remain safe and they cannot be modified. Call by reference. In this case, actual arguments are not reliable as they are modified arguments. The copies of the actual arguments are passed to the formal argument. Call by reference, the arguments of actual arguments are passed to their respective formal arguments.
Okay, good. Now roll number 47. You tell me
Yes, sir.
the use of printf and scanf function.
The use of printf function is to display the use of printf function is to display the program,
Okay.
and the use of scanf function is to take the value from the user.
Okay. Roll number 48.
Yes, sir.
Who is the founder of C program?
Dennis Ritchie.
Okay. And what are the functions? What are the features of C language?
The main features of C language are simple. C is a simple language because it follows the structured approach, that is, a program is broken into parts. Portable. C is highly portable, means that once the program is written, can be run on any machine with little or no modifications. Mid-level. C is a mid-level programming language as it combines the low-level language with the features of the high-level language. Structure. C is structured language as the C program is broken into parts. Faster speed. C language is very faster as it uses a powerful set of data types and operators. Memory management. C provides an inbuilt memory function that saves the memory and improves the efficiency of our program. And extensible. C is an extensible language as it can adopt new features in the future.
Okay. So these are what the features of C programming language. Now roll number 49. You tell me.
Yes, sir.
You tell me what is an array and its type. What is array and its type?
An array is a group of similar type of elements. It has a continuous memory location. It makes the code optimized, easily to transfer and easy to spot. The size and type of array cannot be changed after its declaration. Types of array: one dimensionally array, two dimensionally array, and multiple.
Okay.